Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. My camera I usually use to vlog is broken, so we're going to have to use this camera, which really stinks. I spent a lot of money on that camera. Sometimes I send it out and get it repaired. Got some allergy thing going on here today, but I got Rick and Jasper with me at the moment. We're loading the truck up. We're going to go hit up a lawn job. One job today here, and I got to do a couple quotes. I got to run the town for that. So we're going to stay busy. We're going to make some money. So let's see what we do today. Okay, here is the job site here. Let's do a tour. We have some weeds here we got to take care of. Wish they'd moved these cars. But got some weeds here. It's not bad. It's starting to rain though. Got some weeds here, over here. So we're gonna go through this, knock it out. I got Jasper with me today, Rick. Let's get to work. How's it going, Jasper?
Yeah. Oh, good.
You see a camera now, it's good. Yard's looking nice. We're picking up here. Having some issues here. Let me show you. If you look here, look at this stuff that's everywhere. And it came from this tree right here. So I'm basically blowing it all over here. You know, we got the basic equipment here. I wish there was, you know, gas-powered ones to make life a lot easier, but this is what we have to deal with. So as you can see, there's just so much of it here in the ground cover, so we want to get all that out there. Ricky, you're working hard, right?
Oh yeah.
Looking good though.
Every day, yeah. It's real good.
Looking good. We're clearing some space here. All right, here gonna leave the boys busy doing that yard. I gotta do a quote up here. Rainy day here today. It's just drizzling right now. They're calling for an all-day rain. So hopefully we can get that one job done. Again, just the one job today. I think all of us are tired. I'm beat. I'm being honest. I haven't done work like this in 20 years. I'm just exhausted. So this is right around the corner from where I'm at here. This is downtown Casa Grande. And the lady, it's a recommendation from another woman that we've done work with. It's her sister's house. So, hey, it's right across from this thrift store. Maybe I'll do this job if I can win it. And when I come back in a couple days, I'm gonna hit this thrift shop. Alright, this address is not giving me the correct thing. So, it's telling me that the house is right here. Oh, God. And there's no house here. So, let me double check the address. Craziness. So, let's message her and see what we got going on here. Oh, this is what's just the problem. I mean, people, I don't get it. I don't get people with just the lack of, like, concern for other people's time, you know? All All right, so yeah, she was off a digit, which that changes everything. So, but it was only 2 minutes down the road here. It's gonna be on my left here. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. Got a little bit of a basketball hoop. It's a nice little hoop. Here's the property right here. That's 110. There he is. So we got some weeds in the front yard. See how the backyard looks. Needs some picking up. That's a quick little yard. Nothing to it. There's some weeds in the front and the back. So yeah, we will. I'll quote that job out. Look at this, Jesus, man. These homes over here look like bombs went off on them. All right, so got the grasp on that job. I will put a quote together. I'm thinking like, I don't know, 90 bucks. Why not, right? Looks like maybe an hour or two's worth of work. So yeah, we'll get that laid out there. We'll see if we get the job. Coming down pretty good. I hope the boys are staying a little bit dry. It's really coming down. But the good thing is that when there's rain, there's weeds. And the weeds get bigger, so that means more work, no doubt about it. I ordered the boys some pizza, so I'm going to go pick up some pizza, and we'll see how they're doing on this job. And I can feel the temperature drop. Every time it rains out here, it just drops like 15, 20 degrees, which is like that everywhere, I assume, right? Remember in Chicago, we do the same, but it's interesting. Arizona it doesn't rain very much out here, but this year it seems like we've gotten a lot of rain, and hopefully it breaks at some point here today. The weather app I got said all day, so hopefully we can finish this job. If not, we might have to hit in the morning. I already got a schedule lined up for tomorrow as well, so it is what it is, huh? All right, let's see how the boys are doing. That yard is a disaster zone. Hopefully they're okay here, because it looks like it came down pretty good. It stopped raining here at the moment, and we got to get these knuckleheads to move these trucks that are in the yard. The front looks like it's done there. There's still some weeds. There's Jasper working. Rick blowing the yard. Looks good though. See if these boys want some pizza. Hey, I got pizza! Alright, so we've hit a situation here. We had the gentleman move his truck here and he ran over my blower, so we're blowerless. Has this been music been playing the whole time? She's checking you out, dude. You want to ride it?
Yeah, I'm good. Come on, Jasper. Torque it. No, I'm good.
Jasper, like this. Like this, Jasper. Dip it. Dip it, Jasper. Dip it. Come on. Dip it. Damn, what the hell is she doing? She's getting up right on that thing. Okay, so rain's coming here. This front yard is done. We just got to I got to get another blower at my house to blow the driveway. Front yard here is completely done, which looks great. So now we're just going to venture out here into the backyard and knock this out here. Oh boy. That's some work. Definitely some work. Okay, this one is done. This job is done. Do a little tour here. It's muddy and wet, but it looks pretty good. Still got a little pile here, dude. this little pile. Just that and that. You get those other two that are over there?
Yeah. I got all 5 of them.
Okay. Where'd that bucket come from?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Let me put that back. Empty it, put it back. All right.
No,
There's the rest of it.
that was slippery.
So yeah, another job finished here. I'm gonna come back and spray back in here because it's a little bit of craziness. So yeah, not too bad. So not too bad with this yard here. It was work, no doubt about it. It was wet. We're tired. We're exhausted. When I got back to the job site there, here's the story with the blower. There was a truck parked in the lawn, and I asked them to move the truck. Somebody left the blower there. I'm not going to jump to conclusions, but it was left out in front by the front tire of that truck. Just my luck with the blower. And the gentleman got in his truck, ran it over, got out, said, "Oh my God," I ran over the blower. So that was the end of that blower, and we got paid $240 for this job. I was talking to the owner, the dad, and I said, we would blow some more stuff here, but somebody in the truck there ran over my blower and destroyed it. They didn't say anything, and I didn't want to push it to say, hey, you owe me a new blower. But I don't know. One of the guys left his blower sitting over there, and I don't know why you'd keep a blower or anything near a truck tire. I don't know. If you look back earlier in the video, you could see the thing sitting kind of close to the front of that truck. But anyway, the job's done. There was some money to be made, but now I'm out of blower. That's how life works, right? One step forward and 2 steps back. Appreciate you guys watching today's video. Go out there, be great, be amazing. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog over. So just in case you're wondering, from earlier in the video with the loud music playing, it was raining pretty good, and this lady came out across the street there, and she brought out an amplifier and was blaring this music. I don't know what was going on. I think she was trying to get some attention. She was wearing sheer pants. You could see right through them. You could see her underwear and just gyrating, and then she jumped in the trunk of the car, bouncing around. It was insane. I can't make this stuff up, but I had to put it in the video here and leave it there. Just because it's just the craziness. I mean, this went on for an hour and a half, and I don't know. It's the craziness. That's all I could say about that. It was definitely interesting. So we'll see what the next vlog brings.